Before we start, leave a like and subscribe. Click that notification bell. Follow us everywhere. Yeah, you should get it. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the part 2 of the super mega unboxing episode. Let's just jump right into it. You should get it. Bro, you give me this thing. Yeah, bro. Okay, bro, we should put these on t-shirts. Just sell them. Comment down below if you guys would buy one.
Bro, don't cut your glass table. Garbage you're not gonna read. Bro, is that a mixtape?
We paid $100 for a piece of cardboard with scotch tape. They couldn't just email me this shit? I'm pissed.
Alright guys, we've been grinding real hard, you know, here at Busta-Bust.
Yeah.
And we're thinking that since this is definitely from YouTube, it's the million play box. Yo.
I've never heard of the playback box.
Yeah, it's a new thing.
It's a new thing, bro. Ich kenne. This is even worse. What the heck is this? What the heck is this? Just 2 things with this big ass box? I thought it was gonna be something crazy. I don't even know what we got from Newer. Oh, the step-up rings. Step-up rings for the ND filter. Essentially, there's my ND filter. Essentially, this is just a hair too big for my Sigma 18 to 35. Even though I said it would fit, it's just a hair too big. Just tighten it up, and then yeah, and then whatever your camera is, you just take it all off, whatever you don't need. Boom. So I can use the same ND filter instead of buying different size ND filters and dropping hundreds of dollars. This was like, what, 10 bucks? So another thing by Small Rig, just like yesterday's unboxing.
Busta-Bust.
Oh, I gotta get a wood table, bro.
Are these drumsticks?
Yeah, it's like chicken drumsticks, you know what I'm saying? Like, we got like drumsticks. And from yesterday's unboxing, you guys will know that we got this Small Rig thing over here. But yeah, essentially, I mean, honestly, we just need one. I don't even know why we got, I mean, it just came with 2, so. Since we have one follow focus. Put it on here, and then put the camera on here, and have the follow focus work. Next box! Ish, get it! That was not well sealed. Yep. It's just a postcard. It's a good thing I can't read. Boom!
Looks like an Apple box.
Yeah, it does look like an Apple box. This, I believe, is our follow focus. Or at least has the same name as our follow focus. Cool. Something that we're probably not going to read, but eventually probably might. Don't know what this is. Cables. These cables are really warm. I don't know why. Dude, your favorite. Got the follow focus wheel. It's a lot bigger than I got the motor itself. So yeah, I have no clue how to set any of this up. So
we'll figure it out later.
We'll figure it out later. It's an unboxing, not a review. Next box, please.
So it says $2.50 on the side. Does that mean you paid like 250 pennies or?
No. We got batteries. I like that. I like batteries. Got a charger for whatever.
If you guys like seeing batteries, check out our other video.
Yeah, if you guys like seeing batteries, check out our other video. Got an HDMI cable. I don't even know what type of HDMI cable this is. Why do we have another one? got this, and then some thank you cards. So for you guys, we got
a Nintendo Switch.
A Nintendo Switch. We got a Atomos Ninja Inferno. This is an HDR field monitor that'll let us well, view our HDR content that our Panasonic GH5 is. And it came with these little packages that we got from Amazon, because you know Amazon always likes to bundle everything together. Got another SanDisk, or not another one. The other one was Samsung. This one is a SanDisk. Close enough. 2 S's. Another one, just like yesterday's. I got more batteries. I like that. And another charger. Wall mount. Charger, or wall charger, and then I don't even know why they come with this stuff. Like I literally just throw this thing away. And then you got some gold-tipped HDMI port.
Gold? Maybe we could scrap it.
4K high speeds, cool. It doesn't tell me what speed. Tough cable. Not tough enough. So it comes, I guess this Atomos Ninja Inferno comes in this nice little bag, or box, or carrying case, whatever you want to call it.
Pouch.
Thank you, Chad. Okay. It's a nice unboxing, I like it.
Illuminati. Or is that Airbnb?
It's both. Register for 3-year warranty, cool. I like that.
I like that.
It's kind of big. This is essentially going to go on our gimbal, and we're going to be able to monitor all our stuff. What else came with it? Quick start guide. Oh, it has little slots for batteries, I think. A bunch of wall mounts.
For international travel.
And then a charger. Cool. It's nothing crazy. It is kind of heavy, like all of it together. How about we just get everything that we got and just put it on the table? So essentially, this is everything that we got. It's a lot to take in. We're gonna be doing a lot of reviews on all this stuff. Comment down below what you guys want us to do a review on first. I know we got the GVMs out the way already. I know I want to do a review on the monitor, the follow focus, along with the V-mount battery. And with the V-mount battery, we're gonna have it with the aperture. So then we're gonna have the aperture 120D review coming soon. Maybe mini Busta-Bust on the SD cards, mini Busta-Bust on the ND filter. What we think. Oh, we gotta definitely do a review on this thing right here, bro.
Nah, bro.
Oh yeah,
The rods.
You're right. The rods, bro. We gotta see how sturdy these really are. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of today's video. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Leave a like, subscribe if you guys haven't. Click that notification bell. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, because you know we got that popping. If you guys want to keep up with us, make sure to check our Instagram stories along with our Snapchat stories. We're always posting there all the time, 24/7. All right, let's stop. Put that part in the beginning, you know what I'm saying? So we have 2.
That's like complicated, bro.
What the fuck?